Hello everyone, this is Pooja and this is my son Aavya. Aavya, say hi. Yes. So I have got this LearningPie kit today only and I am super excited and super happy to see what is inside. So I have taken 3 months subscription and this is the kit for 3 months, okay? So let's see what is inside. Let's open it and let's see what is inside. So finally this is the kit and this is the material list. So everything is mentioned here, like आपको day 1 के लिए जो activity करनी है उसके लिए जो भी material required है, it is written here and day is also mentioned on the activity. Like this is the activity of day 18. So you just have to go to day 18. So this game of pieces worksheet, circle activity, healthy eating worksheet. So everything is inside. You just need to open it and do this activity.
Wow, Mama, I'm loving this kit.
Really, Aavya?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Do you want to do all these activities?
Yes.
Let's do one activity then.
Okay.
Okay?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good, Aavya. Now 11.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
Now again 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2.
So Aavya, do you like solving puzzles?
Yes.
Yes. So will you solve this puzzle?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Which alphabet is this, Aavya?
M.
Lovely.
Let us make A.
Yes, very good. Which alphabet is this?
A.
Lovely. Very nice. So this is how it works. I am so happy with the growth of my child. So go and give it a try. They also give 7 days free trial. So don't miss this chance and give it a try. Thank you. Bye-bye.